Hello guys, welcome back to I Love Editorix. So this one is a quick tutorial. 4 ways to select an element. Okay, for this example, I create a grid with 4 containers that each container is include image, text, and 2 SVGs. So let's see. Here we have a text element, an arrow which is an SVG icon, and this black color is an SVG. You can see if I remove the transparent, there is an image behind it, this image to the layers panel. All right, so how can I, for this example, select the main container, the parents of this all element, I mean this one. So of course, first method is to actually go to layers panel and you can select the container, and now I can add, let's say, padding to this container. So let's go here. I will add 20 pixels padding, sorry, this container. I will add 10 pixels padding from all sides, and that's it. Okay, second method is basically to select any element inside this container. I will select the text, and through the I forgot how it's called, breadcrumbs, the blue one, you can select the parent container right from here, and then again I will add 10 pixels padding. Nice. The third option is to again select any element inside the parent container. Let's select this icon, and then we can select through the inspector panel, and you can see here we have the parent element. I can select the section or the container. All right, so the fourth way is very good way because it's give you a solution to very complex selection method. So in this example, we have multiple elements on top of each other inside the section. So let's see the layers panel, and you can see there is an image and 2 SVGs with different names, and the H1, the big title. Okay, so if I like to select this image behind everything, I can go over this text element. I mean something that is cover my element that I want to select, and I right click on this image, on this text, and you have here select a layer. So here you can see all the elements that is overlap each other from the parent to the children. All right, and this basically will give you the name that you set in the layers panel. Okay, so if I need to let's say change this transparent circle in the middle, I can go here and click circle, and now I select it. So you can see if I change this color to blue, so you can see that I select the right one. All right, basically that's it. So I hope this helps you, and till next time, keep building amazing sites on Editorix.